Solve the triangle having side A equals to 18.92 units. Then we have angle B measured as 64 degrees 23 minutes and angle C measures 72 degrees 43 minutes. Okay, let us begin. First, let's construct a triangle ABC. So here we have the triangle with vertices A, B and C. Let's consider the side that is opposite to angle A, which is denoted by BC here. We're going to use the letter A to denote this side. Then the side opposite to angle B, which is AC, we're going to denote it by the letter B in lowercase, and then the side opposite to angle C, which is AB, that will be denoted by C in lowercase. So here it's given in the problem that A, that is 18.92. So that is the measure of the side A. We also have the angle measure of B and angle measure of C, but here it's given in the form of degrees and minutes. So let's do one thing. Let's convert the minutes to degrees. So for angle B, we have 64 degrees and 23 minutes. So first what we'll do, we're going to convert 23 minutes to degrees. To do this, we have to use the fact here that for every 1 degree, that corresponds to 60 minutes. Or what we can say that for every 60 minutes we have 1 degree, which means that for every 1 minute that is going to correspond to 1 over 60 degrees. Now in our case we have 23 minutes, so 23 minutes that is going to correspond to 23 over 60 degrees. Now when we divide 23 with 60, so that is going to give us 0.38. Or we can say this is approximately 0.38. So in our case 64 degree 23 minutes, that is going to become approximately 64.38 degrees. So here we have the angle measure of B, 64.38 degrees. Now let's come back to the angle C. So angle C measure is given as 72 degrees and 43 minutes. So here we can simply convert 43 minutes. So 43 minutes is going to be equals to 43 divided by 60 degrees. And this comes out to be approximately 0.72. So we can say that angle measure of C, that is going to be 72.72 degrees. So we have the angle measure for C as well. Now our goal will be to find out the measure of angle A, and we need to find out the sides B and C. So first we will find out the measure of angle A. That's a very simple task because we know that the sum of the angles of the triangles add up to 180 degrees. So that means here we can know that since A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees, our goal will be to find out A. So this must imply that A must be equals to 180 degrees minus the sum of the angles A and B and C, B plus C. When you plug this value of B and C, and this is going to give us the angle measure of A, so that comes out to be 42.9 degree. So our angle measure comes out to be 42.9 degree. And if we want, we can convert the 0.9 to minutes as well. All we have to do is take 0.9. Take 0.9, so this is in degrees, and we're going to make use of this fact. So as 1 degree equals to 60 minutes, so 0.9 degree, that is going to correspond to 0.9 times 60, and this is going to convert it to minutes. So 0.9 times 60, that's simply 54. So we can say that 0.9 degree corresponds to 54 minutes, which means that our angle A measure can be also expressed as 42 degrees, and in place of 0.9 we have 54 minutes. So that is going to be the angle measure of A. Okay, now let's move on to the next task for the problem, where we need to find out the measure of the side B and side C. To do this, we're going to take the help of the law of sines. So here we have the law of sines, which simply states that the ratio of the side A to that of sine of the angle A equals to B over sine of the angle opposite to the side B equals to C over sine of the angle C. We're going to take the help of this law of sine to find out the side B and C. As the side A is given to us, that's 18.92 units, what we'll do, we're going to keep our first ratio as fixed, which means we're going to get two equations. We have B over sine of angle B, that is going to be equals to A over sine of angle A. So this is going to help us obtain the value of B. So B is going to be simply A times sine of angle B divided by sine of angle A. And then we'll have another equation, C over sine of angle C, that is going to be equals to A over sine of angle A. So C is going to be equals to A times sine of angle C divided by sine of angle A. Okay, so that's going to be equals to, what is A here? A here is 18.92. This is going to be multiplied to sine of the angle B. So B here is 64.38 degrees, whole divided by sine of angle A. So A, that is 42.9 degrees. Similarly, we can substitute the value of A at 18.92 sine of angle C. So angle C, that corresponds to 72.72 degrees divided by sine of angle A. So angle A, that's 42.9 degrees. So you plug these values into a calculator. So B comes out to be approximately 25.06 and C comes out to be approximately 26.54. So here we have successfully obtained the length of the side B, so that's approximately 25.06, and then length of side C, so that's 26.54.